Adoption is a major challenge when trying to implement Smartsheet. Although you or your team may have a lot of interest in making the solution successful, there are outliers sometimes that no matter how hard you try, they don't log in and use the tool like you expected them to. Here are 3 tips that can help you bring hesitant users into your solution. The first tip is using reports. When we design most Smartsheet solutions, we typically think that each user is going to go to every sheet they need to update, whether it be status updates in a project or perhaps across many sheets they need to fill in one line just to talk about that specific task. We find that the more places users have to update and the more locations they have to visit tends to slow them down and tends to make them not want to work in Smartsheet at all. If a user is feeling like they have to navigate to many different places, they tend to have trouble updating items within the sheets. By building a report that collects all of the assets they need to update, if, for example, you're having a report that looks across an entire portfolio at all the tasks that are currently assigned to them, it will make it easier for them to update in a one-stop shop experience. That way they can see what project it is and update each project and each task in one place. The second tip is dashboard visibility. When a user's updates don't go noticed by the entire team, it's hard for them to feel like it matters if they adopt a new tool or not. But if you bring their updates into a team dashboard where you're able to highlight and emphasize their helpful updates and also call out when they haven't updated as well, you'll find that you'll bring users in a lot better. Users tend to want to update more if they know that information is going to be seen, especially if that information is going to be reviewed by the team or especially their manager. It's a subtle way to create the expectation for users to actually update the information. It also allows you a great opportunity to reward those who are doing it, promoting the success of the application. And then finally, notifications. Tweaking notifications for your users is crucial. We find that a lot of users, when they're first starting out with Smartsheet, they create too many notifications. They set it up so it can notify everyone at any given time, or maybe weekly and so forth. And we find this becomes noise for many users. So it's very crucial that you calibrate the notifications to be effective for the team to update, but not too much. If they're getting notification after notification and they start ignoring it, and then they only really go to the sheet to update on their own volition and not per any type of cadence that you're trying to set with your notifications. So be careful of your notifications becoming noise. If you have suggestions for other ways to increase adoption, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe.